Hello, today we'll be making curry. Now is the selection of the meat. We are using pork and cut it into small pieces. It's about 5 cm times 5 cm. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Yummy. So you might be asking what pork or which part of pork is using. In this scenario, we are using a pork shoulder because it is elastic and yummy. Now we change another view. It's a more professional view from 45 degrees of cutting. Again, cutting, cutting. Since we are making videos, so we have to put it in a very lightly and beautiful manner. Now we put in the upper corner of the board. Here comes our next ingredient, our potato. Pick an ugly potato, a size that you will like. Now we are slicing the skin. Slicing, slicing and slicing. If you feel like the skin is sticking on the potato, just open a running tap water. You'll wash it clean. We are preparing our third ingredient, our garlics. This is some leftover of garlics, haha. You make it into pieces, peel off the skin. Yeah, it is so difficult to peel off the skin. No worry, we can crunch it first with the back or the side of your plate. 1, 2, 3, crunch. Crunch again. And crunch, crunch.
Kick.
And here comes the aha moment. So it's so easy. Easier than just now, right? After you're peeling off the skin, remember to cut the garlic into small pieces, about 0.5 times 0.5 cm. Now the next ingredient, our onion. So we take half of the onion, make it half first, and start cutting One of the tips is don't separate the half of the onion because it is easier for you to cut like this rather than separate half. So wife and husband must be together. After pouring some of the oil, and we use a pork skin too, then you can start putting your pork meat. So again, a 5 times 5 cm pork cube is put inside. Now we try to make it as even as possible. In order to make the video cooler, we shake the pans a bit more. Now it's professional. Maybe you might be asking, how long I have to cook the pork? You just have to make it caramelize, just like your popcorn, a brownish, shining colors. Now when we turn another side, it starts to be brownish. Now we put aside our pork and prepare for our next cooking session. Put in your onion.
Got the kick.
So another time waiting for the onion to be caramelized and to be golden and brownish again. Here come our potato. Seems that the potato is too much. No worry, I think we will finish it. Now the pork. Now it's a top-down view so that you can see how we move the pork, potato, garlic and onion around. Now season your food with black pepper, salt and some sugar. Just do it as you like to. Everyone different. And for curry paste, this is some random brand that we get from the supermarket. Now pour some hot water. Again, hot water is about half cup to tenderize the meat and so that you got curry. Oh, now you use coconut milk, the essence of the curry. The more you put, yummy yummy. So now it's just patient until the potato is softened. You can taste it with your fork. Ta-da!